Vavatishwar Devi. Today's news reading. Today's importance. Jhansi Lakshmi Bai Jayanti, International Men's Day. Former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi's birth anniversary, World Toilet Day. International news. Indian External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar attended the Shanghai Cooperation Organization meeting in Moscow, Russia. Hamas rejects UN resolutions on Gaza, calling it a protection mechanism imposed by force. Sudan army repels RSF attack on its last stronghold in western Ghouta. Ukraine voters reject constitutional rewrite and return of foreign military bases. State news. The Supreme Court has expressed concern over the abdication of young children in the country. The central government has said that compensation will be paid under the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana from the Kharif season for crop loss due to wildlife. India and the US are close to concluding the first phase of bilateral trade agreement. Prime Minister Modi will visit AP and Tamil Nadu to release the 21st installment of PM Kisan to farmers on November 19. Madhya Pradesh has cancelled the Udan and Aquation scheme amid protests by farmers. Exports to the US fell by 9% in October due to new Trump administration tariffs on key sectors. State news. Today is Annadata Sukhibav PM Kisan AP to release assistance under the scheme. AP produces 2.36 lakh metric tons of paddy from farmers make prompt payments to them. AP is set to release job calendar for 99,000 vaccines and in 157 departments. Sport news. India A team reaches semi-finals in Rising Stars Asia Cup tournament. Weather news. The meteorological department has said that there is a possibility of scattered rains in the next 24 hours. Today's good word. Desires are like things you carry on a journey. The more of them you have, the harder the journey of life becomes. Health tips. Eating bananas which are high in potassium is good for the heart. Today's GK question. Where is the headquarters of the International Court of Justice located? Where is the headquarters of the International Court of Justice located? Answer. The Hague. Thank you.